Hi, I'm Samantha from All About Baby's World, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Asana35 infant car seat. First, you want to take out the leg. And you set your seat in the car, and you lower the leg to the level it needs to be at. There's a red button here that you can push to the level of recline that you need. You want to lift up your fit firm arm and insert the seatbelt. Once your seatbelt is buckled, you simply close the fit firm arm, and now your car seat is completely buckled. If you would like to use the latch system, you lift up the fit firm arm and remove the latches. Once you have the latches removed, you insert them into your car. And you tighten the latch. Once the latch is tightened, you lower the fit firm arm, and your car seat is installed.